Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a favorites video of all the things I'm loving at the moment. If you are new here, this is like a monthly thing. It's going to be on rotation on this channel. So I'm showing you all the products that I'm loving, I'm reaching for, and I'm enjoying. So if you're watching and you do like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to comment below on what you're loving, and I'll check it out because I'm a product girly. If I see you like it, I'm gonna look for it, period. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and let's get into the video. So first we're gonna start off with like perfumes. We're gonna change it up a bit. At the moment I have really been loving Wonderose from Zara. So Zara fragrances are nice if you're like just getting into, fragrance, if you wanna try different things fragrance wise, and you don't want to like break the bank but you still do want to smell great. So this Wonderose one I actually got, I've had it for about 6-7 months, maybe even longer than that. I think I've had it for a year, but it's only halfway. This is 180 ml and it just smells, it smells feminine. If you want to smell feminine and soft, Wonderose is your girl. I don't actually like rose scents, but this one, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Let me find the notes for you guys so we can just channel this together. It's a fruity cocktail of, oh, okay, it's floral because it's got jasmine. Which jasmine I like the smell of, but not too much on jasmine. But right, so Wonderose, it's an EDT. It's a cocktail of peach, red berries, a tutti frutti accord, sambac, jasmine, and a creamy coconut vanilla base. Ideal for a playful, flirtatious girl who reflects her personality in her perfume. That's what it's giving. It's giving flirty, playful, but feminine. So gorgeous. And it just smells fun as well. So if you're going out, maybe on a first date, or if you're going like somewhere fun, maybe like a brunch or something, Wonderose is your girl. So I love that. So currently, I don't know if you guys know this, but I do have like acne prone skin. I never did have acne prone skin, but my dermatologist said I need to use acne prone things. So stuff for breakout, stuff for acne users pretty much. So I've got this anti-breakout facial cleansing gel from Carbon Theory, and I think it's absolutely amazing. It's helped to like with my forehead, it's helped with my cheeks that have been breaking out. Like, you have texture and stuff, but it's great because that's what salicylic acid is for. But this one has got charcoal, tea tree, and shea butter in, so it's gonna detoxify and it's gonna help with impurities. So it just really has helped my skin. It stopped the breakouts. So shout out to stopping the breakouts. Oh, the sun's come out. And this is Carbon Theory. Great. It's called, the Carbon Theory brand is like anti-breakout. So if you do not want your acne to be popping and pulsating, this is the brand for you. It just helps to really calm your skin down. Acne side is great as well, but I feel like this is a little bit more gentle than acne side. Yeah. So then, guys, this is a Naturium dupe. Just have a look at it. Well, the packaging is anyway. Yeah, so I've actually bought from this brand before. If you remember well, it's a long time ago. I've got some stuff from Dr. Wellness, but this brand is great. It's just like a Naturium dupe, but they actually have more products than Naturium. They have like a whole range of different things. This one is olive oil and goat milk. I know my mum loves goat milk, and my mum has got the softest skin, so whatever my mum is saying for the Bodycare, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm getting. I feel like that's where I get my Bodycare vibe, my Bodycare love from, is from my mum. She always had amazing, she always has and had amazing Bodycare products. So yeah, this is olive oil and goat milk, so it's nourishing and it's yeah, it's nourishing. So it's gonna help to like soften your skin. Since I've been using it, guys, I told you my skin is soft, but this is making it like back to the womb soft, like fresh out the womb soft. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is really good, and it's by Dr. Wellness. This is 1 litre and I think it was only £6. This, you can't go wrong. I don't know about the actual concentration of goat milk and olive oil, but it seems to be working. So if you're somebody who wants to try things, give it a try. You could try it online for it, and I got it from TK Maxx. So yeah. And then for hair care, I'm loving the cornrows. For gym, for ease, for like my freelance job, for work, I just put literally my hair is in like a knot and I just put it back, and I'm loving the ease of it. Like I've had it for about 2 weeks and it's not doing that bad, because normally with my hair it gets frizzy very quickly. I think it's my hair texture and it's also the gym and stuff, but it's just giving ease. It's out of my face. It is a lot of faces on display, but it's fine. Yeah, forehead is on display, but I'm used to it now. It's been 2 weeks. So shout out to my best friend Grace who did my hair. Like she ate this hair up. Ignore the grace, but she ate my hair up. Yeah, I think cornrows is gonna be, I feel like cornrows are gonna be my new thing, even though I do like braids and I do like hair that kind of covers my face, but this works. So yeah, for this cornrow style, I have been loving this Bread hair oil. It's not like a conditioning oil. I think it's like a leave-in treatment, finishing gloss, and pre-wash slugging treatment. So yeah, it's nice. I just put it on my scalp and I just run it over my cornrows so they don't look so dry and like ashy sometimes when they don't have anything in, because with cornrows, I think we do neglect the hair. It's just making my hair glossy. It's like a hair gloss, a lip gloss for the hair. That's what they called it. And I feel like I definitely agree with that. So love that. Yeah, can't go wrong. So I only wear makeup when I go out, as you guys know, or if it's the first time you've ever seen me before. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. But if you don't know, I do not wear makeup like day to day. I literally wear a lip product, maybe like a clear brow mascara or black in my brows, and then that's it. But yeah, for when I'm going out in the evening, I do like makeup. I'm a makeup girly, so I do love to like play around and try different things, but then I don't wear makeup a lot. But when I do wear makeup, these are the products I've been loving. So this is a 17 mascara. I think if you're watching from America, you can only get it in the UK because it's in Boots, but you may be able to get it online. The brand is 17 and it's called Another Level Mascara. Actually, it's really, really good. Like, I don't know why I bought it. I think I bought it like just as like a filler before I got my other mascara, but I'm not like a loyal mascara wearer. I just go with one that I like the look of at the time or it's on offer. I don't wear like false lashes or anything like that, so I just put loads of this on. It's great for volume and it's great for lengthening, but I think it's more for lengthening, but it's a really good mascara and it's really affordable too. So check it out next time you go to Boots and you're looking for like a mascara. Love it. And sometimes, because I'm dark skinned, I can just run it through my brows, and 2 in 1, so I mean, come on. And then this is not any particular gloss, but I just love lip gloss. Just any kind of lip gloss I'm loving. This one, these are the two I'm wearing today, that's why I've chosen it. So this is from Primark actually. It's called Bronze Glow. My sister got this for me. And then this one is from Studio London, which is called, it's a shimmer gloss, and this is like a pink and a brown, and yeah, I just think it looks really, really nice. I just love lip gloss. Like, whoever created lip gloss is an absolute genius, because like matte lipstick is not, it's not where it's at. But yeah, any kind of lip gloss, any color, pink, red, anything, I just love gloss. So yeah, and if you have like smaller lips, a gloss is gonna create the illusion of a bigger lip as well, especially if you put it in the center. So that's my tip. So yeah, and this is the shade Bronze Glow, and this is the shade Add Desire. I'll put everything linked below if I can find it. If you don't have a Primark near you, I'll put something similar like an e.l.f. gloss or some of my favorite glosses. I'll put down there as well, because let's get shiny lips. These things I'm going to show you now are lifestyle things. So matcha. So this is actually authentic matcha green tea from Thailand. I think matcha actually originates from Japan, but yeah, this is a matcha green tea latte. So it's already the latte, it's already like milkified, so you just add like milk, or if you want to, you can just add water, but I add milk to it, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. So it's, you can get it from the Chinese supermarkets. I used it in my last vlog. if you want like a creamy, frothy matcha, this is where it's at. I have my matcha recipe on my vlog, which you should watch, so it'll be in the card somewhere, but definitely have a look. If you buy this matcha and you want to know how to make it frothy and just lovely, get to that vlog, boo. Get to that vlog. You get 7 sachets in there as well, so I got 3 left. I gave 2 to my friend because we were shopping, but you get like sachets in there, and you just add it to your, you know how it goes. But yeah, so love that. It's really good for adding that. It's just nice, you know. Sometimes if you don't want like an actual green tea, or you don't want coffee, you don't want tea, matcha o'clock. Yeah. And then last but not least, it's reading. So I'm trying my hardest to get back into reading, because I used to love reading. I could read like a book a day before. This was years ago. I used to be on Wattpad. I used to read books on Wattpad. I'm gonna see if Wattpad is still a thing. Yeah, I love books. Like I love books. I used to read like books online, and I just love stories and fiction. So is that what it is? Yeah, non-fiction. Fiction is fictional. Yeah, so it's not true. Yeah, so this book I'm currently reading is by Tom Hindle, and it's called I can't read, and I can't. That's why I need to read, so I can actually read. But it's A Fatal Crossing by Tom Hindle. It's a Penguin book. It's a publisher. But yeah, it's fiction, yes. So it is basically like Titanic mixed with like a whodunit murder mystery book, and don't know how many pages I'm in, but I'm trying my hardest to read, and it's really, really good. So if you don't want to be on your phone so much, if you don't want to be listening to music or podcasts so much, you want to change it up a bit, definitely reading has really, really helped me with that, and like reducing my screen time. You can just do it before bed. And obviously reading your Bible as well, that is very important too. So the Bible, there's so many gems in the Bible. It feels like the Bible has so many stories in there as well. So if you love stories, and these are not like fake stories, this is real life. So if you want to read that as well, like really loads of different like types of stories in the Bible as well, so that's great too. So yeah, let's read. Let's get our reading glasses on if we need them, and let's read. Whew, okay, I'm out of breath now. Right guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, let me know what your favorite thing is that you want to try, and what you are loving as well, and I'll be sure to check it out, because one thing about me, I'm a look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on my next video.